In Keonjhar district's Talpada Panchayat under Telkoi block, residents of Bodokhaman village are risking their lives to access essential supplies. With no bridge over the Samakoi river that flows beside their village, locals are forced to wade through dangerous waters just to collect PDS rice. A recent scene from the village showed people carrying heavy rice sacks while walking through the swollen river, a stark reminder of the long-standing neglect of their demand for a bridge. This challenge isn't limited to rice collection. During medical emergencies or urgent needs, villagers have no option but to cross the river. Repeated appeals have gone unanswered for years and the danger worsens every monsoon. On the administration's part, Keonjhar CDO Kumar Nagabhusan stated that the issue had come to their notice earlier and is under review. He assured that the area was previously surveyed and efforts are now being taken to begin construction.
जो जगह ब्रिज आवश्यकता रही पूर्व प्रपोजाल जहाँ थिला वर्तमान ताको अनुध्यान सबगुड़ा कराउछि एवं एई जो तळपदा कथा कहिले एटा पूर्व दिन रे गणमाध्यम माध्यम रे मध्ये आम पाखरे हस्तगत होइतिला वर्तमान केते शीघ्र एटा करा जाय परबो जेहेतु राज्य सरकारनकर भी निर्देश रही जे आमे केते शीघ्र एई जो कट ऑफ विलेज रही उडिको पर्टिकुलर नदी नाळ जो लोक माने हरण होचंती तो केते शीघ्र से कार्यान्वयन ताको करा जाय परिबो से नै कि जिला प्रशासन तत्पर अछि।